Oh my
Goodness.
Sorry.
What are you doing, Gracie? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's a ghost. It's a ghost. Oh. You got it.
She's like, I'm not letting you do that again. Nope.
Oh my goodness.
What's cold? Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
You're crazy. You're crazy.
No.
Hey.
Nope.
Leave you alone. Chew on your cover. Oh my goodness, puppy!
Poor thing.
Well, now you're wearing it.
I'm sorry, it's just too cute. She's getting her tail.
Oh dear. I think she's confused.
Oh my gosh. There are so many dog cliches going into this.
Bye bye.
I'm just bored with it. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to play tug of war with it. We're crazy. Why are we doing this to her?
She knows she's cute. Oh dear. You're goofy. You're goofy.
What's on your face? Come again. There you go. Here, let me pull it up to the camera so they know what this used to be.
It used to be the rope she chewed on. It was a lot bigger. A lot bigger.
Oh, she has it like tangled in her mouth. Ow! Give it to me. Gracie, let go of it.
Let her have it if it's not attached.
I don't want her to swallow it.
I'm sure she swallowed the whole thing.
True. It's still hanging out of her mouth. Let me show you. Collar.
Gracie. Goofball.
Alright, and I really want to put that out of her mouth. I know, Gracie. So slobbery. Do you think she's a cat?
She thinks she's a cat. Alright, you go have fun.